All right, we're going to do a super quick video to show you how to set up a property carousel and put that on the home page of your website. Now, I had already edited my site some, and I tried to change it back to what it looked like originally out of the box when you got it. You've got this here. Frankly, I don't know. I did something wrong because my name's not there now. But I'm not a fan of having that in the middle section anyway, so I'll show you how to delete that if you want to and replace it with a property carousel. So within IntelliAgent, you're obviously coming down here to Websites, click on your website, and now this will take you to the page where right here is the home page. That's the one we want to edit. But before we can put that property carousel on the page, we have to first create it over here in the search. Now, I've kind of cheated. I've already got one. You would normally hit Create Property Carousel, but when you do, it would open up a page that looks exactly like this. You give it a name. You pick, if you're in more than one MLS, you pick the MLS that you want to include in the search. I recommend active property status because I don't think most people. Now you can add coming soon too if you want. That may be helpful. And then if you want to feature your own listings, scroll all the way down here to the bottom, Agent ID, pick your MLS ID from, so if you're in the triangle, from Paragon, you'll get your MLS ID. If you don't have your own listings, you can pick your office ID too and feature the whole office's listings. Totally fine. I've grabbed an agent ID here that I know has some active listings just to make this search work. So you've got all that up in there, and then you hit Save. So now, when we go back to the pages and we edit the home page, so the call to action, that's the thing that shows your photo if you've got it in there, your name and call me or whatever it says. I said, I don't care for that, so I'm going to delete that one. And then this is how easy it is to add features. You literally take the property carousel, you drag it over here, you drop it where you want it. I want it right below the banner, the number 2 thing on there. So I'm going to put that in there. There's 2 styles from which to choose. Personally, I kind of like the slider. I think that will probably be more mobile friendly. And then, you obviously you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call this My Featured Listings because it's one agent's listings. And then you just pick that saved search that you just created. So My Featured Listings is that one. You'll see I've also created a search for downtown Raleigh. And then this one is actually all of my Fathom office's listings. So for this one, we're just going to click that and save. We're going to save up here in the top right. And when we reload this, there you go. You got your search, you've got your featured listings, you can scroll through, look at what you got, and of course the other stuff is still down here, and you can rearrange that stuff just as easily using the exact same method. Super easy, y'all.